This is a defective hand dryer. We have dismantled it to repair, and as you can see, the coil is there. The heating coil is there inside this, and the blower blows away the air inside, and that comes out of this blower hole, and the dryer works as it is. So to give power to this control circuit, there is a transformer and rectifier unit, and there is a sensor. This is the sensor. Screwdriver rakho uske upar. This is the sensor that has got a transmitter and a receiver. As you can see here, one transmitter and one receiver is there, and that senses your hand under the blower or hand dryer. And there is a clock setter, that is basically adjusted. That is potentiometer, not frequency. That is a potentiometer, variable resistance.
Yes, resistance.
Okay. So that controls the voltage given to the sensor. Sensor, if falls weak, we can strengthen the signal.
Yes, sir.
So that is basically strengthening the signal of infrared transmitter and receiver. And this was defective. The signal was so weak that it was not sensing, and that is why it was not working. So now it is working. We have tested it, and it has got repaired. And these are the boys who have worked for this. It's Prateen, Saugata, and Indrajit. The entire team of the class has helped in doing so. These are the boys. All right.